In the video section, you can either upload your own listing or you can use the video generator to generate a video using your listing images. So how to use the video generator? So when you click on video generator, you are given an option to select all your images that you want to select. Here I'm selecting 5 images because that's the most relevant. If you have any images that reviews have, you can select those. I have none here. And then you go to configuration. You can actually select what kind of aspect ratio you want for your listing. My images are square here, so I'm not going to mess with that here. But if you have images of different aspect ratio, you can select that. You can select an option between slide, fade, can burn, zoom in, zoom out. My favorite is zoom in or zoom out, but I play with all of them. You can also see like if you want the image to crop to fit based on the aspect ratio you selected, or show the entire image. So say because my images are square, and if I go by 16:9 aspect ratio, it will just kind of fit all of this thing, and probably I'll have black areas on top. So I'm not doing anything here. I'm just going to say crop to fit. And here is the target duration per image. It auto calculates based on the number of images you use, but I typically use 1.3 or 1.5 for all my images. And then you click on generate video, and it is that simple. Yeah, and you can see it has created the video. You can also download this video if you like.